In this intense police encounter, a routine traffic stop takes an unexpected turn. Watch as a suspect attempts to evade officers, leading to a tense pursuit and arrest. Stay tuned for our breakdown of what went wrong, the consequences of fleeing, and valuable lessons for interacting with law enforcement.
You mind sitting in the car for me?
Oh, she didn't tell me I had to get. I was out the car when y'all pulled up though.
Yeah, you're good. Just we saw you driving, so can you?
Yeah, but I was out the car though. Why do I have to get back in the car?
Just for our safety, it's just
I'm not
having
gonna do
pay
nothing.
attention. I understand, but
I'm not gonna do nothing.
it's just a lot easier.
I'm not gonna do nothing.
The problem contained in the car. Do you have a valid license?
Yeah, I do. That's not even my truck. It's my son's. He's letting me hold it because my car is wrecked. It's up there at the gas station.
I understand, but you know, in the state of Florida, you can't have tint on the windshield. You can't have your tint has to be 28% in the front, 15% in the back.
I get it. Not my car though.
I understand.
But I get it. If she's gonna give me a ticket, that's fine.
But what I'm trying to
I'm not gonna argue with you, ma'am, about it. I know what the law is, but it's not my car. So I'm driving it because I don't have a car. I have a son in a wheelchair.
So I have. For the vehicle
and that's why I said if she's gonna give me the ticket, that's fine.
But that's just why
I'm not gonna argue with you about it, ma'am. I don't need you to educate me. I know the law. I know the tent's probably illegal, so that's why you're gonna give me a ticket. That's why you pulled me over, right?
That's why we pulled
okay,
you over.
I know that. Pull somebody in there already parked.
So yeah, I mean, if they observe, they all have to do is observe the driving.
Okay, that's
yeah.
what I was just asking.
Yeah. They just have to observe it driving.
Yeah, that's my big cousin.
Okay.
They didn't see her driving.
They'd have to perform the traffic stop.
She was out the car, literally out the truck. They did not see
They was literally out the truck. They so worried. Y'all been driving.
literally out the truck.
So what they would have to, sometimes, we can't get the stop right away. Traffic being the way it is, so they can,
way back there though, because they seen her way back there. She was already parked. They put the lights on.
I'm assuming they've seen her driving prior to this here.
So then, why come harass them when they already stopped?
Just because you're stopped doesn't mean that there wasn't a driving infraction that occurred. So
okay, so but it says that when y'all see that, y'all supposed to act then, right then. Y'all should have stopped her right then.
So again, we'd like to, as soon as we see something, stop it. But sometimes there's traffic, so there's other things in the road where we can't, we can't just we have to ride with due regard is what it's called. So we can't just break every state law there is to get there for a traffic stop.
So then, majority of the time, when y'all see somebody, y'all put y'all lights on and everybody move when y'all stop what y'all want right then.
Majority of the time, yes, that's correct. You are correct, sir. Yes.
Why couldn't that happen then?
I don't know their circumstance. All I can say is it's still legal for them to perform a traffic stop.
For one traffic stop, why does it require so many police?
Well, it's just like...
They're cooperative.
Yeah, they're cooperative, but there's 3 or 4 of them in the car. There's only 2 officers. All that plays in. I'm just here. It looked like you guys had some questions, so I'm here trying to answer those questions.
I'm sorry, I don't have anything.
Oh, you don't?
No, I checked.
What pursuit? JD started! Black man! Black t-shirt! Green shorts! 22nd and limit. He's running towards 22nd and limit. Do the fucking grab!
Mine, man. What you talking about?
See your phone from your pocket.
I didn't have that.
Right there. Do not move. Right there, Paige, get it right there.
What did I do?
Right there.
I did not have no dope. I didn't have no dope.
The dope's right there.
What I did, man?
You got a warrant.
For what? For what?
Domestic. Are you in a domestic relationship?
No, sir.
Argument today?
No, sir. That's not my dope, sir.
I seen you throw it from your
I
pocket.
promise you that's not my dope, sir.
Who you holding it for then?
That's not my dope, sir. I promise you. I don't have no dope, sir.
I seen you throw it from your
Swear to
pocket.
God, sir. Please, sir.
I ain't see you throw nothing.
I have no dope, sir.
right behind y'all.
Please, sir.
I ain't see you throw nothing.
I ain't have no dope, man.
Well, Sean,
Come on, sir, man.
I'm sorry.
I'm sure.
It was in your pocket and you threw it out.
I did not have no dope.
Doesn't matter.
So if you're holding it for somebody, it's now yours.
Well, you didn't have no dope. Just be quiet, bro. They'll take you up for what they take in your
I'm gonna sit you up. Turn on your side. Sit on your butt. 3, 2, 1, step up.
We're 41.
He right here, Erica. Trying.
Hey, can you step away, please, for just a second?
Trying.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're taking him to jail. Somebody.
Sir, do you mind searching?
Yeah.
I got
Oh wait, no, I don't.
Can I have him to log in his phone?
No.
And they tell me he thinks
Anything on him?
somebody's pocket.
Anything on him is gonna go with him.
That's Bree?
Did Paige get?
I can get on my phone. I can get on my
No,
phone.
I don't want you reaching anything.
That's my phone. I can get on my phone. I can get on my phone. That's my phone.
It doesn't matter.
Our policy is that your property stays with you, sir. Once you're in
It's
custody,
really up to the discretion of the officer.
It's not.
Because
It really
it's our
is.
policy.
they could say that you're under the influence.
Hey, I'm sorry. Do you
Give away your
know our
property when you
policies
get
and
Well, I do
procedures?
because I've had it happen before.
Okay.
I ain't got no problem with now one of y'all. I'm just trying to make sure my nephew's straight. That's all.
All right.
What do you got in your pocket?
I ain't got shit.
Nothing else?
I don't have shit.
Nothing's gonna stick me in.
No, I don't got nothing.
If he threw that out his pocket, the money would have came out.
I didn't throw nothing out my pocket. I promise you I didn't, bro. That's crazy, bro. I ran because you rushed up on me. You could have just told me you wanted to talk to me, but you
I did that.
That's literally what
Nah,
he
because
said.
all y'all rushing up on me like I'm finna do something to one of y'all, man.
That's what I asked you
That's
first.
crazy, bro. Come on, man. I could have been nasty and just kept on running, man.
Here's your legs.
This shit crazy, bro. Shit fucked up, bro. Crazy, bro. Shit fucked up, bro.
Everybody out here.
Are you okay?
Parking garage. 10-4-2-1.
Wait for that.
This video showcased a prime example of how a simple traffic stop can quickly escalate into a serious legal situation. The incident began with officers pulling over a vehicle due to illegal window tinting. While the driver initially cooperated, tension rose as he questioned the officer's actions and refused to re-enter the vehicle as instructed. The situation took a dramatic turn when the suspect suddenly fled on foot. This decision transformed a minor traffic violation into a much more severe offense. Running from the police is never advisable, as it often leads to additional charges and potentially dangerous confrontations. In this case, the suspect was quickly apprehended. During the arrest, officers discovered what appeared to be illegal drugs, further compounding the legal troubles. The suspect denied ownership of the drugs, but this highlights the importance of understanding that possession can be attributed even if one claims the substances belong to someone else. Several key lessons can be drawn from this incident. 1. Comply with officer instructions during traffic stops, even if you disagree with the reason for being pulled over. 2. Remain calm and avoid confrontational behavior, as this can escalate the situation. 3. Never attempt to flee from law enforcement. It's always better to address issues through proper legal channels. 4. Be aware that anything in your vehicle or found on you can potentially be used as evidence. 5. Exercise your right to remain silent if you're unsure about answering questions. It's crucial to understand your rights during police encounters, but also to recognize the potential consequences of your actions. In this case, what began as a simple traffic violation escalated to charges of resisting an officer and drug possession, which carry much more severe penalties. Remember, it's always best to handle disagreements with law enforcement through proper legal procedures rather than taking matters into your own hands. Stay informed, know your rights, and prioritize safety in all interactions with the police. If you found this assessment helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments section below.